put your finger to your nose if you need more or if you're done putting your notes in your notebook. Are you done, Keyboard? Okay, we're all ready. So, who can tell me what we've been working on this week? You can take your fingers from your noses now.
We've been working on decimals and we've been working
And time. And what are you preparing for?
on NISA.
NISA test. Okay. You last time, yep. So today we're going to continue working on or practicing a little bit for the NISA test. Does that sound all right?
Okay.
Okay. So, up here, I had you put this in your notebook. Can anyone tell me what the three forms are? Or should we all stand together? Has everyone got them? So I'll count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Standard form,
Okay, which form looks like a decimal?
standard form.
Standard form, right. And let's see. Expanded form, what does that look like? Adding a whole to a decimal, right. Okay, and word form. What do you think this and represents? Someone besides Mariana. The decimals. Every time we see a decimal, we say and, right? So 1 and 23 hundredths, right? Shake your head yes? That's right? Yeah? Okay, so we're going to kind of make it quick today, all right? So we can play a game at the end. We're going to play Jeopardy at the end, okay? So, right now, we're going to go to our back table, seat work, jump codes, okay? Now, when we go to the back table, I want you to bring your notebooks back, okay? So you can kind of refer back to them. Does that sound good? So we're going to kind of do a little art. We're going to do a little art project, okay? So does this look familiar to anybody? This kind of table? Yeah, it's right there. It's right in your math notebook. So you can refer back to it if you have it, right? Okay. What do you think the dotted lines mean?
Cut it out.
Cut. Okay, the dotted lines mean cut. So we're gonna cut every single square out, and we're gonna just cut this whole thing out. Okay, we're not gonna. There's no dotted lines in there, so we're not gonna cut those individually. Okay.
So we're not going to cut this.
Nope, you're not gonna cut the forms, the form words. Okay. We'll give you each one.
I think we're going to figure out what it means. I think what
Okay. You might need scissors. Yep. Maybe. outside of this one. The cup outside of this one. Okay, and yep, you'll cut those ones out too.
What happened is I would cut down my eyebrow. But that hurt
That would hurt. Yep. We're
really,
gonna
really bad.
mine. Okay, now we're gonna cut this part out too. This,
Oh, this
yep, just around it, not inside of it. Okay. So you can pick a color. Okay. And you're going to glue this at the top.
This is you.
Okay. It's yours. You're going to pick a color.
Share with emails notebook just for space purposes. Because I do share with Aubrey just for space purposes. So I'll look at that at your desk. Thanks so much for remembering to bring that up. And reminding me.
Okay, at the top, we're going to put this up here. Oh, you don't have to cut in between them. No, it's fine. It's alright. You'll just have to glue two. Pick a color. Pick a color. Okay. You pick a color. Okay. So just like here, you're going to glue the tile up top. Okay, so tile at the top. Okay. So now you're going to fill in all the word form, all the expanded form, all the standard, but they have to match all across in a row, okay? So you might want to do one section first. Maybe find all the word form or find all the standard forms and glue those first. Perfect. Is it glued? Yeah. Okay. So now you're going to glue in either all the word form, standard form, or standard. You can do any one you want. Okay? But just do one of them first, one category. Then you can So now you're going to put these into categories. Just a word. And what word is in the word form? Word form. Okay? Okay. Kind of. I mean, they're in the right section, but is this standard form? It's okay. It shouldn't be glued yet. You should be able just to peel it right off. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, so where do you think this one will go? And. What one has and in it?
Here.
Here, the word form. Yeah. So we put that under there. And this one, or which one's that one? Yeah, expanded. So in this one, it only has one more place to go. And it's right there. Good job. So you just have to team. So, oh, raise your hand if you've seen Jeopardy before on TV. Mom and Dad watch it.
Last year.
Oh, she just said raise your hand. Okay. So, what you'll do, you can put your hands down, is you'll pick a category. So you can say word form for 20. okay, or standard form 2 or 40. Okay, so as they get down, they get a little harder. Okay, but I think you guys can do it. Positive, you can do it. Okay, so I'll take on team 1 first, and I'll ask them, what category do you want? So team 1, back there, which
I
category?
thought we were team 3. We're team 3.
You're team 1.
You're team 1, team 2, team 3. Okay, so team 1, which category would you like first?
3, 2, 1, category.
Word form 50.
Word form for 50. Okay, so when I click on that, one person from your team, everyone's gonna go, okay, but one person from your team comes up and tells me the answer and writes on the board. Okay? Does that sound good? Does everyone hear that?
Yeah.
And now the other teams, even though it's that team's question, has anyone ever heard of a steal?
Yeah.
Yes, so if they get it wrong, then we go to the next group. Right? And if you guys can answer it, then you get to steal those points from them. However, if you're in La La Land talking about monsters and dinosaurs and you don't see the question, can you steal the points?
No.
So no, then hopefully Team 3 would be over here paying attention, figuring
But
it out,
that's.
and they could go for the steal then too.
But that's.
So just like bingo, paying attention when it's not even whatever the rotations are. So it would go here, here to here. Just like bingo, even though it's not your turn or you're not calling your cards, listening to the other teams could still benefit you. So team 1 picked word form 450.
Okay, so who's gonna answer the question?
Who's gonna be
We'll
the
start
writer?
with team 1. Okay. So
So you stay there for
You
now.
can talk with your team about your answer and then word on it.
okay, so word form for 50. This is the question.
And you all are, as you're looking at it, you might want to figure it out. If you need a number, if you need a paper to write it down. Okay,
Do
so
you have an answer?
10 and 55.
Word form.
if you guys need some paper to write it down. If you guys need paper to write it down.
Gonna get it?
If you guys need paper to write it down.
Good spelling.
Oh, is he right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, he is right. So team 1 gets